In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a comment in Reddit. If you've ever wanted to reply to a post with a meme, a screenshot, or a helpful photo, but weren't sure how to actually attach an image to your comment, this walkthrough is for you. I'll take you through the process slowly and clearly, so you can follow along even if you're new to Reddit. First, open Reddit and navigate to the post where you want to leave your comment. Make sure you're viewing the full post page, not just a preview in a feed or notification. This helps ensure you can see all the commenting options clearly. Also, keep in mind that you need to be logged into your Reddit account to comment or add images. Once you're on the post page and ready to respond, look for the comment icon located directly below the post. This icon usually looks like a little speech bubble. It's grouped together with other actions like upvote, downvote, share, and save. Go ahead and click on that comment icon. When you do, a text box will open up where you can type your reply. Now, below around that text box, you should see various formatting tools and icons. Among these, look for the image icon. It typically appears as a small picture or landscape symbol. This is the button that lets you attach an image to your comment. Click on the image icon to begin adding your picture. After clicking, Reddit will prompt you to choose an image. Depending on your device, you might see options like uploading a file from your computer, choosing a photo from your phone's gallery, or even dragging and dropping an image into the window. Select the image you want to use. Make sure it's clear, relevant to your comment, and follows Reddit's content rules as well as the specific community's guidelines. Once you've selected your image, Reddit will take a moment to upload it. You'll usually see a small preview of the picture appear inside or beneath your comment box. Take a second to check that it looks correct and that it's the right image. You can now type your comment text above or below the image, explaining what it shows or giving any extra context. When you're happy with both your text and your image, click the button to post your comment. Your reply will now appear under the post with the image attached, ready for others to see and respond to.